guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I have a bit of a different video for you guys. I took a poll recently on Instagram and we got into kind of a deep conversation about waste and how we feel about waste, about plastic reduction, about the planet, and just general like good human type stuff. And off of the heels of that, I went searching for kind of eco-friendly, sustainable products, and I came across a subscription box that I bought, basically. So they don't know who I am, they don't know anything, they don't know that I'm doing this. Today, we are going to unbox CAUSEBOX. As mentioned, like I said, they don't know who I am or anything, but when I came across their website, their mission statement sounded really great. Everything in here is meant to be either eco-friendly, vegan, fair trade, women supporting women, small business, that kind of thing. And I really wanted to start talking about that kind of stuff on my channel because it's something that means a lot to me. Just a little side story before I get into the unboxing. When I first started traveling kind of beyond my state, beyond my kind of general sphere, I really started to fall in love with the earth. I started falling in love with these beautiful places, these places I'd never been before. For example, like when I went to Byron Bay last year in Australia and I saw that waterfall, or when I went to Hawaii for the first time and I saw the beaches there and just how beautiful everything was. It really got me thinking about and looking into things that are kind of destroying the earth, like plastic in the oceans and plastics on the beaches, and just general things that we are doing that are harmful to the planet. And over the past year especially, it's kind of become a hobby of mine, I guess. I'm a big believer of like, you don't have to be perfect, but any progress is perfection. Like progress is perfection in any part of your life, whether you're starting a business, you're going back to school, you're starting school, you're parenting, you're losing weight or trying to lose weight. Progress is perfection, and progress is the most important thing. So while I am certainly not perfect in creating zero waste, and I'm certainly not perfect in using zero plastics, I am being very mindful about kind of reducing what I'm using, trying to, you know, use tumblers versus water bottles when I'm out and about, just really reducing the amount of plastics I keep in the house, and that kind of thing. So when I found CAUSEBOX, I really thought they kind of were aligning with my personal kind of passions, my personal kind of ethics and morals, and I wanted to share them with you because after talking to you guys on Instagram, I realized that there was a lot more of you guys that were also thinking about the same things I was thinking about. And as an influencer, I love, you guys, love being the person that you go to for fashion advice, for inspiration, for, you know, the new skinny on the new skinny. What year is this? I love being that person that you guys turn to know where like what's on sale and where is it on sale and what I should pair with it. I love being that person, but I think as an influencer and as a person just kind of in social media, you have to eventually evolve, and you have to eventually evolve past what you started with and really start talking about things that are even more of value. So while I'm out here loving that I'm teaching you guys how to love yourselves and love your bodies through fashion, I also want to encourage you guys to, you know, be good humans and maybe, you know, go beyond just fashion and go beyond just what we're doing in our daily life. So I hope what's in this box will align with all of that. So let us dig in. I just ripped the box open, and the first thing I'm seeing is a little booklet that says Good News Spring 2019. So this box is quarterly, and I paid for a year in advance because I really got into the story of it all. So it's kind of a lot like FabFitFun in the way that like here's kind of a list of like what's in your box and tells you all about it. I don't want to get too into it, so I'm not going to read it too much, but there's some beautiful artwork on the box and inside. I'm going to turn you guys down so you can take a look at the box as we're talking about it. Okay, so when we get the box, there's this really pretty little sticker here of this woman, this beautiful art. I'm going to try and preserve that as I rip this open. Ooh, and the first thing I see is what looks like a clutch. Okay, so the first thing I see is this clutch. The box looks really pretty and full of really, really cool stuff. So let's open this up. Oh yes, I remember this. So I think I saw this in a Facebook ad or something. I think I've mentioned this before. There's a Facebook ad for it. I probably purchased it. And I remember having to choose my color. So this is huge. Oh my God. This is awesome. So it's a clutch and there's like tons of little pockets. So when you open it, first of all, the buttons are rose gold, which how precious is that? There's a big folder here in the front, and then when you open it, there's more pockets up here, a big pocket back here, a place to put pens, and then card holders here. This is really awesome. I feel like this would be so great for travel. If you're someone that when you travel, you don't bring like a laptop and stuff with you, but you bring like an iPad, I feel like this would be great. You can like pop your passport right in here, boarding passes, you can have pens, your IDs and stuff if you need them quickly. This is fantastic, fantastic. And it says, designed in California, ethically made in China. That's one thing I wanted to mention, just kind of in the midst of all of this. Just because something is made in China doesn't make it bad, doesn't make it unethical, doesn't make it anything. It just means that it's made in China. But I love that they say ethically made in China because it really helps combat the stereotype that everything that comes out of China is terrible. This is a beautiful, beautiful clutch. I think this, first of all, if you are someone that buys these boxes and like maybe gives some stuff away because they're like good gifts, this is an amazing gift for someone. But I think I'm gonna keep this baby for myself. As someone who goes to meetings a lot, I feel like this would also really help me stay organized for a meeting. So I am super, super thankful for that. Okay, next up is this little card. How cute is that? We have some artwork. It's a postcard designed exclusively for CAUSEBOX. Oh, you are my moon and stars. Okay, this is so cute. Let me tap on it to make sure we get focus here. How beautiful is that? I wonder if that's a necklace. Oh, it's a bracelet. That is so stunning, made with love. How beautiful is that? I recently started watching Game of Thrones, you guys, and my moon and stars is that whole like Khaleesi Khal Drogo thing. So this speaks to my soul right now. By the way, I need you guys to know that I just started watching Game of Thrones. After all these years, I know, I'm super late to the party, shocking. You guys did not prepare me for the trauma. You didn't prepare me for the trauma. No one told me. I went on Instagram and lost my damn mind because of all of the craziness that was happening. And I specifically called Alicia, who is a good friend of mine who loves Game of Thrones, who did a review on the new Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. And she was like, oh, this is so great. She made it sound so like fun. And then I started watching it and then I started having nightmares. So I blame everything on Alicia. But this, my moon and stars, really reminds me of the show. And I'm gonna read you guys what it says on the back because I think this is really important. It says, freedom awaits. Our mission is to fight human trafficking. By choosing this bracelet, you are contributing to set victims free. We would love for you to use our bracelet to raise awareness and speak on behalf of those who cannot speak for themselves. Together we can change the world. So not only is this a beautiful piece of jewelry, it's also something that means something. So far, 2 items in, CAUSEBOX for the win. Okay, the next thing I see is this. I believe this is a little scarf. Let me open this up here. We'll have a look. Ooh, how pretty is that? I have a love affair with like polka dots and Dalmatian print lately, and this is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just knocked over the whole box, you guys. It's calamity right here now. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this around my neck really quick as I read a little bit more about it and tell you guys what the story is. Let's see here. This is by the brand Cleobella. To Cleobella, female empowerment means raising consciousness of the female integrity from production to purchase. So there's a lot in here about the scarf, the prints that they're doing, and they also give you some cute ways to tie it, some cute ideas. Really loving that. Love it in the hair. Like, that is just the most precious. So I really, really love this. I'm actually kind of really into mustard too lately. So I love that they're not only a conscious box, but they're incorporating trend as well. Wouldn't that be like the cutest if I just like, oh my God, so cute. Okay, there's still a couple more things here, so let's move on. Okay, so the next thing I see is a rose water mist. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, so it's a mist congeniality rose water, which says rose, aloe, chamomile, witch hazel, 100% naturally derived, 79% organic, has the ingredients list there, and then it says every bottle helps us to educate, empower, and liberate girls around the world. So rose water mists are super great after your cleansing, in between your cleanser and your moisturizer. It's really nice, it's really refreshing to the skin, and obviously things that are naturally derived and organic tend to be better for sensitive skin as well. well. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my hand. Oh, it just smells like a spa. Ooh, I don't know why it's focusing over there. There we go. Hello, I'm over here. That just smells really pretty. It smells like roses and just like spa. It's so pretty. Okay, this next thing says glow on it, which is 1000% up my alley. That makes me very excited. So I'm gonna pop that open. It says bamboo brightening mask. So it looks like this is a face mask for visibly smoother, brighter, and luminous skin. And then says, please wear sunscreen when using this product. Ooh, I love, like, glow is my favorite word when it comes to face products, so I cannot wait to try that out. There's not much else to talk about that, so I'm just gonna move into this. This is a contact facial cleansing sponge. Ooh, infused with French pink clay. Let me pop this open. Ooh, okay. This might be fantastic for traveling. So it looks like there's a cleanser built into this, and it's probably reusable. So let's talk about it for a second. Okay, so this is 100% natural, biodegradable, fragrance-free, no chemicals, no preservatives, and cruelty-free and pH balanced as well. So this is going to be really good if you have sensitive skin, but again, coming from that place of like natural, you know, really good for your skin, cruelty-free, vegan, that kind of thing. Really, really awesome product. These are also really great to travel with. I have one that was bought like for the body, and it was really, really awesome. So it says that, oh, at the bottom it says replace sponge every 4 to 6 weeks. So this is actually going to last you a really long time, and because it's organic, you don't have to worry about like throwing it away because there's no chemicals or anything like that, and is biodegradable. So super excited for that one. Okay, and the last, I think this is the last thing in here. No, one more thing. What's this? Ooh, oh, it's an eye mask. Okay, so this is a bamboo eye mask, and it says we love pandas but not panda eyes. Use this eye mask for relaxation and sound sleep, made with our signature bamboo Lysol fabric. It is hypoallergenic, antimicrobial, and extremely breathable, made with 100% organic bamboo Lysol. So really awesome. Every time I fly, I always feel like taking a nap, and it's never dark enough, so this is gonna come in really handy. Also, husband likes to watch Star Trek while we sleep, and so, or sometimes he'll like get up in the middle of the night and can't get back to sleep, so he'll put on like an episode of Star Trek, and that's just bright and colorful, and there's explosions and stuff, and it's really sometimes wakes me up. So this is gonna be really useful to try as well. So I'm gonna try these and report back, but obviously everything will be linked below, or the box will be linked below, so you guys can check it out. And the last thing is this macrame plant hanger. Oh my god. Okay, as you can see, the background is coming together, but we have a project coming up that is actually going to be changing the background completely, which I'll tell you guys about when it's time later. But this is actually going to come in like really, really handy. So it's a macrame plant hanger. And it says impact, like every Ultra product, this product funds a charitable project that helped create a better world. Woo. Charity says One Tree Planted project, 8,000 trees planted. Where? Throughout California in the areas that have been most affected by wildfires. Okay, that's awesome, because there's been, obviously, I'm sure you guys remember last year how bad the wildfires were in Northern California. So I love that by buying this, we're supporting charities that are planting forest where there have been forest fires. Let me just read this a little bit here. It says, over the past 2 years, California has experienced the deadliest and most destructive wildfires in its history. Reforestation efforts help recover fire-damaged lands, combat water, or protect water supply, and combat the effects of climate change. And then there's some more information here. Again, designed in California, made responsibly in China. So, okay, now that we've gotten into the box, I have a couple of thoughts. Okay, so now that I've unboxed my CAUSEBOX, I have to say that I am really, really excited about it. I think what they're doing is great. I love that every single item in that box was either supporting a charity, trying to do good in the world, you know, working from the environment, to helping other women, to helping humans in general. I love that everything was like organic or biodegradable. Like, it's something that I bought that now I can feel really good about. Like, I did some good in the world. Like, my money went to help awesome businesses and awesome people that are trying to like make the world a better place. So good job, CAUSEBOX. I think the product's amazing. I think it's a subscription box that I can really get behind. I think it's a subscription box that I'm going to be really, really excited to receive quarterly. I believe it's spring, summer, winter, fall. And I love that there's fashion, there's lifestyle, there's like a little bit of everything. There's beauty. There's just a little bit of everything in this box. And again, it comes down to like, we're not perfect, no one is perfect, but we're all trying, right? And I'm a big believer of as long as you're trying and you're making progress, we're all getting there, we'll all get there, and we will get there. And I love that I'm, you know, spending money on something that's making a positive impact in the world. So I would love to know your thoughts on CAUSEBOX. Have you heard of it before? Have you bought one? Have you subscribed? Is this new to you? If so, what do you think? Is this something you're interested in? Is this something that you're subscribing to? Is all this stuff that you're interested in? Do you care about this kind of stuff? I know I will, so that's something that I'm going to try to integrate more here on the channel, is things that are like sustainable clothing. Fashion obviously is going to be a big part of it. Eco-friendly beauty, which is something that via Instagram you guys had expressed interest in learning more about eco-friendly and vegan and cruelty-free beauty products. So we'll be talking about that kind of up in the next coming months. So I'm really, really excited to get your feedback on this kind of out there, like different piece of content for me. But you know, there's more to life than fashion, and there's more to life than looking good, although that is, in my opinion, the root of everything is look good, and then everything else good will follow. But I just really, I'm so excited to hear your feedback on this, you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. It means the world to me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!